Out on the Choctawhatchee 420 Bay Raid. Anybody coming to visit that checkpoint, they better be prepared to stealth in and stealth out. And if anyone can, Cully can. Well, I got my Saturday happy hat on, you know. A little something my brother gave me. Something for adventuring across the big sun. Of the Choctawhatchee 420 Bay Raid. Well, I had to scoot on down, got ran off by the breeders, so there's that. But it's a pretty nice spot right here. I got my little checkpoint up. What I have there is some fender washers that I drilled and engraved. I put a 420 and then what checkpoint it was. This is checkpoint 6. Alright, well, I'm going to try to whip me up something to eat and probably bring y'all back then. Alright. Guys, well, here I am. I got a little project to get going on. I got to eat my little meal. See what we got going on here. Got me a little something for the safety brake. I got me a knife for the cheese, a little tuna, some wraps, a little sweet tea. Got this right here. After dinner, gotta fix that right there. And that one right there. Luckily enough, I got some 2-part epoxy. Hopefully that works. Otherwise, just paddle steer from here. That's alright, I can paddle steer. But I don't want to have to. I want to fix my rudder. And here's my boat. In the bush. Whatever. Alright. Oh, you know I'm hanging my hammock underneath the osprey. Well, guys, it's end of night 2. It's about 10 o'clock. Getting ready to lay down, or I'm laying down. I got in my hammock. Had a good day, spent a good time. I noticed my little light's pulsing on me, but whatever. What else was there? Ate my little dinners. Made 4 checkpoints today. Got 3 to do tomorrow. Everything's going as planned. Haven't had any problems. Yeah, I did. I broke my freaking rudder. That wasn't no joke. I'm hoping the 2-part epoxy thing works out. I got some nails and some big screws that I might just put in it, trying to give it a little extra help. What else was there? Some sort of backer or something. I got a rudder. I don't know. We'll see y'all tomorrow. I'll give you a look at the camp in the morning. I really did stealth in here and worried about somebody coming over here now that I've been seen. Have to watch out for dogs in the morning. There'll be some early dog walkers here, I can tell. So I'll probably be up around 4 or 5. That's the time I normally get up anyway, so about 5. Alright. See y'all in the morning. Well, good morning, guys. It's 5:30 on Sunday morning. I'm gonna be getting from here to the Crab Island and then to the house. It's a chilly morning this morning. Feels definitely like 59 or 55, I don't know. But chilly. Alright, well, I gotta wrap up my stuff there before everybody comes walking down these trails. Here's what we're working with.